In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up a video in Canva. If you've ever wanted to make your video a little more dynamic, shorten a longer clip, or create a fun time-lapse effect, changing the speed is a really simple way to do it. Canva makes this process quick and beginner-friendly, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you'll need to select a video inside Canva. Start by opening a design that already has a video, or create a new design by choosing a video template or a custom size. Once your design is open, look for your video in the editor. This might be a video you uploaded yourself or one from Canva's built-in video library. If it's not on the canvas yet, drag and drop it into your design so it appears in the main editing area. The key here is to make sure the video is actually selected and visible on the canvas before moving on. Next, click on the video itself in the canvas area. When you click on it, you should see a border appear around the video, showing that it's active and selected. You'll also notice additional options and controls appear in the toolbar, usually above or below the editor, depending on your device or screen size. Making sure the video is properly selected is important, because the speed controls only show up when a video is active. If you ever don't see the right options, just click directly on the video again to reselect it. Once your video is selected, look for the option labeled Speed. This is the control that lets you change how fast or slow your video plays. Click on the Speed option and a slider or set of presets will appear. Here, you can increase the speed to make the video play faster. For example, you might choose values like 1.5x or 2x to quickly speed things up. As you adjust the speed, Canva will automatically apply the change to your clip, and you can preview it by pressing play in the editor. Take a moment to watch the preview and see if the new speed feels right. If it's too fast or not fast enough, simply click on the speed control again and fine-tune it until you're happy. When you're satisfied, your video is ready to download, share, or keep editing with other elements like text, music, or transitions.